We have just arrived in London, my favorite city in the world, and like probably a handful of you watching, we just took a red eye and from the East Coast. So we landed here like just before noon. And I really don't want to waste today because I love London. So I'm going to show you our formula for our arrival day, how we make it count, how we have a wonderful day, and how we adjust to jet lag. Hi, I'm Erica, and this is Your Guides Abroad. All right, so here's the quick formula that we use when we arrive to make sure we, stay energized, see things, enjoy things, have fun, make memories, don't waste a day. All right, so we do something active because, we are exhausted. We take in one memorable site and we go out for a lively dinner because that's one of the keys to beating jet lag or dealing with it, is to make sure you stay on a great food schedule and make sure you get some daylight light. So you can do this anyway. Your active day could be just walking the high street, popping into shops, enjoying that. But today, let's take you on something fun. Right now I am in Chelsea and we are gonna walk a little north to South Kensington.
Okay, we made it to Hyde Park. Beautiful spring day right now. Sun's out, everyone's out biking, blossoms are out. It's all this great stuff.
All right, so we grabbed some snacks and we walked 45 minutes to the Serpentine in Hyde Park. So this was supposed to be the active part of our day. We were going to rent those paddle or pedal boats and just cruise around this lake because it's our kids' favorite thing to do. But they talked us into an electric boat. So we're not really being active here, but the walk counts. So if you want to steal this as one of your active activities on a beautiful sunny spring day, I mean, it's great. This is so fun.
So Henry wanted to come on the paddle boats because he wants to take over some of these paddle boats, like Lord Admiral Nelson. So Henry always says, Victory or Westminster, right, buddy? Let's start ramming some boats.
I didn't say that.
You did say that. You said it.
All right, so some other ideas to stay active. I mean, this is just really basic. Don't overthink it. You can rent bikes, bike around the parks. That's a beautiful thing to do. You can also just pick some cute high streets and walk them, pop in and out of shops, just keep yourself moving. You can also just pick like a walking tour of a neighborhood. We have some great walking tours on our website that will help you out. It's just one thing we always try and do is stay active, stay outside.
On to the next adventure.
All right, next thing on our list, go see something iconic. So here we are at the Natural History Museum. We're not gonna spend all day here. We're not gonna be here for long, but we're gonna look at a couple exhibits that we are excited about and hope the kids remember this for years to come.
So it's so nice about a lot of these London museums, especially the iconic ones, are that they're free to enter. Donations are accepted, but yeah, we can just hop in for a few minutes like we did, and then now we're off to something else. It's pretty fun. Our thing is itinerary, especially of like London. So if you're interested in this arrival itinerary, click the link down in the description below to get a one-page download of this walking tour of London. So when you arrive off your flight, you're ready to go.
All right, our lively dinner to end. It's not feeling that lively right now, but I think it'll liven up. We're at a pub. We're at the Builder's Arms in Chelsea. I mean, there's so many options for fun, lively dinners, but this is just close to our hotel and a playground, so we can just roll back right after this. Another fun option, easy, casual, fun, quick option. I have to give a shout out to our favorite, Franco Manca. We usually end up going there on most arrival days to London, but we love a good pub. We love a good pub dinner. We love fish and chips, so we're enjoying this. All right, thank you so much for joining us on our arrival day. We had a great time, and bonus, we stayed out to see the sunset, so hopefully that helps with our circadian rhythm. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see if we wind up jet lagged at 3 a.m. Who knows, but we had a great day. So if you want more details about where we went, what we did, click the link in the description below. Steal this for your arrival day in London. Thanks for watching.